Hi, this is Shaem from Shaem Tech BD. I am going to show you can effect way to create to smoke. First, open the Photoshop software. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Click the new layer icon to create a new layer. If your foreground and background color aren't black and white, press D on your keyboard. We want our foreground color to be white. If it isn't, press X to invert the color or click this icon. Open your brush tool. Open your brush picker. Increase and decrease the size as per your need. And its hardness 0%. Its opacity is 100% and make its flow 40%. Brush a curve that ends in the lamp. Go to Filter. Blue Gallery and Path Blur. Untick the box. Set the points on the curve. Click In Point. Change the speed of the in point as per your need. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Click OK. If our video is useful to you, then like the video and share with your friends and family member.